everyone, welcome back to my channel. Vacations and weekend getaways are something that we all look forward to. In the middle of all the excitement of going into a vacay mode, let's not forget how important it is to keep the right kind of beauty and makeup products. Because you don't want to overload your luggage, it's very important to cut down and get to your basics. So when it comes to beauty essentials, everybody has their own list. I have my own. So in today's video, I will share with you my list of beauty products that I'm traveling with for my trip to Bali. First and foremost, a concealer is a must-have beauty product for me to hide away all the flaws and get a flawless finished look. A compact comes really handy when you need to mattify your face when you're out and about. It's very important to set your face with the help of a compact for a longer lasting effect. I like to carry my favorite beauty blender because it cut down the hassle for me to carry a innumerable amount of brushes. I use it to blend my foundation, my concealer and even my blush. But my all-time favorite travel product is the lip and cheek tint. With this in my makeup bag, I do not need anything else to give a pop-up color onto my face. I like to carry 3 different shades of lipsticks, one red, the other being pink and the third one being a nude one. You can wear them separately or individually, but what you can do with these 3 lipsticks is you can mix and match with them and just play around to create as many number of shades as you want. I also like to carry a waterproof mascara that stays almost the entire day when I'm out, and also it gives like a really voluminous look to my lashes. If you're someone like me who likes to carry a lot of skincare samples from a lot of beauty stores, magazines, etc., then a vacation is the perfect time to consume them. Carry your face serums, samples of body creams, face washes, sunscreens, packs, scrubs, etc. So whatever skincare samples you have, you can carry them. It cuts down on a lot of luggage weight. Because I am someone who does not like to use the hair care products that are provided by the hotel authorities, so I like to use my favorite shampoo and I take the smaller product size of that, which makes it sufficient enough for me to use it for the entire trip that I'm going for. Carrying a small versatile eyeshadow palette is the smartest move that you can make. It's needless to say that it can help you create multiple eye makeup looks. A brown kajal comes really handy for me when I'm out for a vacation. It helps to fill my eyebrows. Also, I use it as a kajal and I can just slightly smoke my eyes with the brown kajal as well. A bronzer, blush and a highlighter set is a must-have for me because I really like that sun-kissed look for the daytime, and I can also take my makeup to the next level and glam my makeup look with the help of extra contouring during the night time. I also like to carry the smallest travel size bottle of Parachutes coconut oil. Why? Because it's a really multi-purpose product. I use it as a makeup remover, as a lip balm, as a hair serum and also as a facial oil for the night time. A baby powder is another thing that I like to carry because I can use it as a dry shampoo, and also I can bake my face using this for an instant sweat-proof makeup routine. I like to carry a lot of hairpins, hair ties and bobby pins because these are the only things that you need to create multiple hairstyles for each day. Even on a vacation, you cannot afford to miss your CTM routine, so always make sure to cleanse, tone and moisturize. So I like to take a toner which can also be used as a facial mist when I need to pick me up during the day. My hair straightener is another necessity for me because I have wavy hair. I really like to style my hair or curl them sometimes. So with the help of hair straightener, I can do whatever styling I want for the nighttime glam look. You cannot afford to miss a perfume. It's absolutely a must-have, and it's not necessary for me to tell you as to why do you need a perfume with you on a vacation. A sunscreen should also be another priority onto your beauty list. Why? Because you do not want your skin to get damaged and tanned. So now if you know your beauty essentials, so carry just that much now for your next trip. I really hope this video was helpful to you. If you found it nice and liked it, then do not forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye!